running, you know, here like this, it's feeling you freedom, man. I'm running in the middle of nowhere. I'm in an amazing location between Pafos and, I wouldn't say Limassol, it's like more Troodos. It's a glamping. It's like it's like a camping, little camping in the middle of nowhere, as you saw from my stories. But look, it's full of people because we are celebrating. We're celebrating, you know, something, and I just took a start to run. I don't give a fuck.